More people travel with dogs now. This is good. Dogs are part of our family. They are our pack. We love them. We want them with us always. Sharing adventures is important. It makes our bond strong. Our dogs enjoy new places, new smells, new sights. Traveling together builds happy memories for you, for your dog. This trend is growing. More dogs see the world with their humans. It makes our lives richer, our dogs' lives too. Picture your dog. Happy on a new beach, truly joyful, running free, wind in its fur, a beautiful sight. Or sniffing a quiet forest path, curious and calm. I see dogs on boats. Many love the water. I see dogs in cars, heads out, enjoying the fresh breeze. A balanced dog is a good traveler. They explore with calm, assertive energy. This is what we want. A happy, relaxed, and well-behaved companion. These are precious moments. Cherish them. I know dogs. I've traveled with many different dogs, all sizes, all breeds, all kinds of energies. I understand what dogs need. To feel safe, to feel secure. A good pack leader prepares. This is always key. A pack leader makes travel fun for the dog, not scary or stressful. Trust my experience. Travel with dogs can be amazing. It truly can. It's about understanding your dog and clear, calm leadership. You can do it. Your dog can do it with your guidance. Traveling with your dog is very special. It is unique. It builds deep trust between you, a stronger connection. Your dog learns to trust you more, especially in new situations. You also learn so much more about your dog, their true spirit. You see them explore their surroundings. You see them adapt. This shared experience is powerful. It is incredibly fulfilling. It helps create a balanced dog, a happy, content dog, and of course, a very happy and proud owner. Think about your dog first. What does your dog truly like? Does he love splashing in water or quiet walks in the woods? Choose a place that fits your dog, their energy level, their breed type. Not all places welcome our dogs, so you must always check beforehand. Do your research thoroughly. Look online, ask other experienced dog owners. Find dog-friendly parks. Look for beaches where dogs can run freely. A good destination makes the entire trip happy. For your dog. For you, this is good, responsible planning. It shows you care. Many hotels now accept dogs. This is great progress for pet owners. Some hotels are very dog-friendly. They really understand dogs' needs. They might offer comfortable dog beds or water bowls, even special treats. Always check the hotel's specific dog rules. Before you make a booking, ask about any extra costs or deposits. Be clear about everything. Holiday cottages are often a good choice. Many have enclosed gardens. Your dog can play safely there. Find a calm place for your dog to rest. A relaxed dog always needs a peaceful space to unwind. Car travel is often the best option. Your dog has its own familiar space. You control the journey's pace. You can stop for regular breaks. Make sure your dog is safe in the car. This is absolutely vital. Use a good, sturdy crate or a specially designed dog seatbelt. Train travel can also work well. Many trains now allow dogs on board. Check the specific rules first. Some trains have designated areas for pets. Keep your dog calm during the journey. Your calm energy is key here. It helps your dog feel secure and relaxed in a new environment. Flying can be very hard for dogs. It can be incredibly stressful for them. Think very carefully about this option. Is it really necessary for your dog? Small dogs might be able to fly in the cabin, with you under the seat. Big dogs often have to go in the cargo hold. This is tough for them. Always talk to the airline well in advance. Understand all their rules. Boat travel might be fun for some dogs, especially for water-loving breeds. Again, check all policies carefully. Safety must always come first, no exceptions. Choose the mode of transport that best protects your dog's well-being. Before any trip, big or small, visit your vet. This is very important. Your dog must be healthy enough to travel safely. Get all the needed vaccinations. Keep them fully up to date. Ask your vet about parasite control. For fleas, for ticks, for worms, get a health certificate if it is required, especially for going to other countries. Your vet is your partner in your dog's health. They give good sound advice. A healthy dog is a happy traveler, a safe and comfortable traveler. This preparation for their health is your fundamental duty as an owner. Pack a special organized bag just for your dog. Be prepared. Bring their normal everyday food. Sudden food changes can cause tummy upset. Pack their familiar food and water bowls. These can bring comfort, their own bed or a favorite blanket. This smells like home sweet home. It helps them feel safe and secure in strange new places. Don't ever forget poo bags. Always clean up after your dog. And their lead, their collar with up-to-date ID tags. These are absolutely essential items for any trip. Also pack a first aid kit specifically for your dog. Be ready for anything. Include any medicines they need regularly. Do not forget these. Bring copies of their vaccination records and your vet's contact details. A recent clear photo of your dog is very smart in case they get lost. Water is very, very important. Always carry fresh, clean water, especially when you're moving, or if it is hot weather. A collapsible water bowl is extremely useful. It is light and easy to carry. Good, thorough packing means much less stress for everyone involved. A well-behaved dog is welcome. Almost everywhere you go, your dog must know basic obedience commands. Sit, stay, come. Walking nicely on a lead is crucial. No pulling or lunging. Practice these commands often. Well before your holiday begins, a dog that listens to you is a safe dog and a much happier dog. Good manners make travel pleasant for you, for your dog, for others. This shows you are a responsible owner, a good, confident pack leader. Training is an investment in your dog and in your relationship. Plan fun activities to do together with your amazing dog. Go for long, interesting walks. Explore new scenic trails. Find dog-friendly cafes or welcoming pub gardens. Many places now have comfortable outdoor seats. Your dog can join you. They can relax quietly by your side. While you eat or have a drink, play fetch in a safe, open park or on a quiet, sandy beach. Let your dog explore all the new smells. This is very enriching for them. A tired dog is a calm dog. But always balance energetic play with rest. Always keep your dog safe. This is your top job as their leader. Use a strong, secure lead, especially in busy, unfamiliar areas or near roads with traffic. Never let them run loose unwatched. Never, ever leave your dog alone in a parked car. Cars get dangerously hot very, very quickly, even on cooler days. Be aware of local wildlife and any potentially dangerous plants or flowers. Check your dog thoroughly for ticks. After walks in woodland or tall grass, your dog completely depends on you. Be a vigilant and caring leader. Take many photos and videos too, if you like. Capture those happy, spontaneous moments. Your dog exploring, your dog smiling. You can share your adventures online if that is something you enjoy. Use social media platforms. Show others the pure joy of it. This can inspire other dog owners to travel more with their own dogs. It clearly shows that dogs are wonderful, adaptable travel buddies. Your personal story can help others. It can give them practical ideas. Share the happiness of your well-traveled pack with the world. Traveling with your dog is a real gift, a truly wonderful experience. It makes your bond so much stronger, much deeper and more meaningful. Remember to plan well ahead. Preparation is absolutely everything. Prepare your dog with consistent training, with patience, with love, and always, always keep them safe. That is your promise to them. The world is big. There are so many amazing places to see. Explore these places with your best friend, your loyal, loving dog. So go out there, go and create amazing, lasting memories with your whole pack. Your